If you've been scrolling online looking for an easy way to make quick cash, chances are you've stumbled across Lufthansa MVP.com, but before you dive in, you need to hear this. Lufthansa MVP promises fast money by placing fake orders, liking posts, or watching simple videos, and while it sounds almost too good to be true, that's exactly where the problem begins. At first glance, the site feels slick and convincing, but as we dig deeper, a lot of warning signs start popping up that you can't ignore. One major concern is the complete lack of transparency. There's no clear information about who's running the platform or where your data is going. Then there's the fake branding. Despite the name, this site has no real connection to Lufthansa Airlines, which instantly raises credibility issues. On top of that, LufthansaMVP.com doesn't seem to offer any real services or products. It mainly operates by encouraging users to recruit others, using a classic MLM-style strategy that has been the downfall of many similar schemes. The setup looks dangerously close to a pyramid model, meaning those who join later are at the highest risk of losing their money. Plus, the entire system feels like it could collapse at any moment, leaving users stranded. After checking everything, the results are clear. This platform raises way more questions than answers, and trusting it could end badly.